Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh Rathore, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about introduction to budget. After subject estimating costing and contracting, subject code 53905. Let's start with definition of budget. A budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specific future period of time and is usually compiled and reevaluated on a periodic basis. So we all know about the budget. At the starting of every year, government introduced with the budget to the different sector of the government like agriculture, industries, defense, education. So such type of budget. So this budget one type of estimation of cost for doing work, which is reevaluated on the periodic basis after 3 months, after 6 months, and after a year. Budgets can be made for a person or a group of people or a business or a government. So not only budget related with the government, it's related with a individual person to a group of person and business, etc. Now, definition of budgetary control. The method of controlling the budget is called budgetary control. So how can we minimize the budget? The tendency towards is known as budgetary control. Or budgetary control is the method of accounting control that defines the difference between the two by planning each of the tasks in the industry and comparing the goals achieved. So whatever the task we perform and whatever the goal we achieve, by comparing both of them, we can have to control the budget. Budgetary control is the precise and rigorous analysis of the past and future potential budget made with past expenses and whatever the future expenses to be made, and expected experience with the aim of introducing thoughtful goal of management. So we can do the work with the minimum effort and the price. Now, what are the objectives of budget? Define financial objective. What are the capital we have? Find the difference between set of result and the result obtained. So it gives a result what we have required and what is actual. Analyze every detail of the cost. In budget, every detail of the cost is given. Achieve control over different details of expenses. So whatever the unnecessary costs, it can also be analyzed. Provide basic information for formulating future policies and making changes in current policies. So it gives an analysis of what are the differences we want to make it. It can be also analyzed, and what are the changes required in the current policies can be also analyzed. Establish central control over the cost of decentralized processing. Assisting officer for cost control. It's at individual level. Strategies for fixed cost and competition. To maintain good relation in the organization. If you provide a good budget for the workers for machineries, it will give us the results. Suggest necessary procedure to increase productivity. So productivity also be dependent on budget. Now, various types of budget. The first one is sales budget. A uh, a salesman person training to its transportation, promotional scheme, incentive schemes given to them to the consumer and also for the salesperson or retailer or dealer can be included in this sales budget. Production budget, budget for the production, material budget for purchasing material, labor budget for their salary or wages, production cost budget for the machineries, administrative cost for a registration documentation work, Plant and equipment budget. Financial budget. If you borrow money from a bank or from any other resources, it requires master budget. All above budget can be included in the master budget. Now, benefits of budget. It is possible to reduce the cost as planned by budget. Obviously, we know with the help of budget, we reduce the cost of plan. Fixed goal can be achieved by taking timely steps to address real production circumstances and difficulties. Fixed goal, fixed goal can also be achieved as we have to discuss in reevaluation at a periodic basic time. The actual work of the workers, manager, etc. can be evaluated once the standard responsibility and efficiency are determined. The performance of the manager workers are also be determined. Better coordination of employee, manager, department exchange of ideas and suggestions, good relationship. If we provide them a better side, their ideas and suggestion will be helpful. Analyzing the region of difference, comparing the actual results with the budget estimate unnecessary. We have analyzed the result as we have discussed in objective. The budget presents a clear picture of the financial situation and the cost of production can be determined in advance. So budget generally introduced with the past and the future expenses. Approve a loan by providing information through a budget to get a loan from bank or financial institute. With the help of budget, we can approve a loan. The budget is an important tool for shaping future policies. We have to make a future bright with the help of budget. Provide an important method for budget communication through meeting and discussions. We have to make improvement in budget by communication through meeting and discussion. Becomes a mean of providing information to the management about the process of the plan and the progress is made. Whatever the analyzation we have to providing information to the management and we can make a progress. The budget provides information on the possibilities of reducing production cost and any corrective measures. This is the main topic for possibilities of reducing cost and the corrective measures budget is used. And budget is an important tool for formulating future policies. For future aspect, budget is more important tool. Now, terminal used in budget, generally asked in GTU exam, book value. The value of the machine, equipment and property recorded in the book. So, whatever the value at the time of booking known as book value. The value include purchase price and transportation cost. Include to bring it to the factory. Net present value, the value of machine, equipment or property on a given day. What is the value at the present time? Represented by net present value. And it's a depreciation from a book value. Work in progress, the semi-final product lying on the production shop floor on which the next machining process are to be done is called work in progress. It can also be a material in semi-finished condition kept in store. Expenditure incurred in a production shop or store is called work in progress. So we all know about the value. So some work is in progress. It's said to be work in progress. Our next definition is gross domestic product. Goods and services produced by country are called gross domestic product. GDP highlights the economical viability of the country. Now, balance sheet terminology indicate the right and obligation of any balance sheet showed by industrial asset and others. So what are the credits and debits are shown in balance sheet terminology. The industry get take cash from proprietor is called capital. Get a loan for business. Borrowing for business is also done. It is a responsibility of the industry to pay for each of these. Therefore, the amount due at the end of the period are shown by balance sheet. Liability side, land, building, debt, machine, furniture, tools, equipment, finished product, patents, cash balance are the asset of an industry can be shown in balance sheet terminology. Hence, such assets shown in the property in the balance sheet. Such balance sheets are forwarded to the next half yearly account to create term account. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me.